Guys, Mr. C here, and gonna pick up where we left off last Friday. First up, we need to collapse our CSS window here, so all we have is JS and HTML. I titled mine Week 05M for Monday, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create an H1, and we're going to fill it with some content. This is demo. And then next up, we're going to create a button. And the text of the button is going to be click me. Cool. Now we can style this with Bootstrap if we want to by clicking on settings, going to CSS, and then search for Twitter Bootstrap. Select that. Mine's already in here. And then you can give this a class of BTN and then BTN primary, so it's blue. Cool. Now, in order for us to do what we're going to do today, we have to make sure that we have to give H1 and the button an ID so that we can be very specific at addressing these two HTML entities on the page. Remember, they're inside of the document object model, so they're part of that document tree. But in order for us to access them, we have to give them unique names so we can do stuff with them in JavaScript. So for this first one, we're going to give this an ID of demo. That's its name. And so we only ever want to use the ID of demo on one object, otherwise it will get really confusing. So with classes, we can have BTN all over the place, but once we give something an ID of BTN, we don't want to use it anywhere else. That's a pretty generic one that we wouldn't really ever use, and demo, to be honest with you, is pretty generic too, but for demonstration purposes it works. Okay, so for the button, we also want to give the button an ID as well. I'm going to call this my button. Cool. Okay, so now we're set up to start doing some stuff. Now if I click on this, nothing's going to happen. We're going to get some interactivity because of the CSS that's built into Bootstrap is going to show color variations as we hover over and click, cool stuff like that. But what I want to do is I want to be able to click on this button and to change the text here for this is demo. And so in order to do that, I have to create a program that's going to do that. Cool? All right. So this is going to be, what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop this video and I'm going to do the programming part in a second video. So this is just the setup, and then we'll do the programming next. Okay, bye.